Let's have a closer look at the link adaptation function. 9 different modulation and coding schemes, MCS 1 to 9, are available for each time slot within EGPRS, chosen after a careful bit error rate measurement of the air interface. In the basic case, a very robust but low-rate GMSK modulated 8.8 kilobits per second service is available with MCS 1. In conditions of nearly zero interference, the maximum data rate of 59.2 kilobits per second per time slot is available with 8 PSK modulation and no additional channel coding for protection. As EGPRS allows a bundling of all 8 time slots per TDMA frame per user, the maximum data rate of 8 times 59.2, which is 473.6 kilobits per second, is only achieved under the best air interface circumstances.